Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can download TikTok videos offline. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open up TikTok and then you have to go to your profile. Once when you are on the profile, you have to click here on these three horizontal dots or three horizontal lines, you can say that. And then you have to go here to settings and privacy. Once when you're here, you have to go down and click on offline videos right here. And then it will give you the limit, how much do you want to download. Like if you want to download 50 videos or you want to download 100 or 150 or 200, it will also give you a limit of the watch time as well, and it will also tell you how much size it's going to take for those specific videos. So I'm going to go with 50 right here, and then it will give us option to either we have to download our Wi-Fi. That's completely up to us, and then we can watch offline videos like that. It's just simple as it is. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.